Now, velocity time graph in uniform motion. See here, this axis we take as a time along the x axis, and this side here, the y axis here, this we can take velocity. In uniform motion, velocity remains constant as we have done in previous topic. So, see here, velocity time graph will be like this. This point is 0, that is origin. Now, so velocity remains constant throughout the motion. So, the velocity time graph is parallel to time axis. Now, by using this graph, you can calculate distance or displacement, and it is very important concept to calculate distance and displacement. Suppose you have taken two time intervals. So, one is t1, another is t2. Now, you have to calculate how much body has travelled in this time interval t1 to t2, that is t2 minus t1. This distance you have or displacement you have to calculate in this part, in this time interval it means. So, just you calculate area enclosed with this one, this shaded portion area. So, you can take this is A, B, C and D. This point is representing velocity here. So, area of A, B, C, D is equal to, this is velocity. So, basically we can write here AB into AD, that means AB is T2 minus T1 and AD is velocity. So, V into T2 minus T1, and this will be equal to here displacement. So, you can calculate displacement by using velocity time graph. If the velocity is positive, you will be getting area is positive, and if the velocity is negative, that means this side here, you will be getting area is negative. So, that depends on basically the sign of the velocity. Now, you see another example. Suppose you take in this way, this is t, this is your velocity, you take like these graphs here. So, this is A, this is B, this is C. This has positive side. So, obviously, this is positive velocity, and this is also positive velocity, and this one is negative velocity. So, but see here A and B, A is representing larger positive velocity, B is representing comparatively smaller positive velocity, C is also representing a negative velocity. So, depending on the sign here, because the positive axis to this side and negative axis to this side. So, this is about the velocity time graph in uniform motion. Now, we will do examples related to this.